Everyone talks about cameras, but no one talks about lighting. Let me just show you something. You see that difference? If you ever thought about doing hair content, then this video is where you need to start if you want to know how to get the best quality. The video was sparked by a question that I got in my community tab about how to create hair content. I've always got questions about what camera I use, quality, all of that good stuff. So today I'm gonna share with you guys one of my favorite, easiest ways to record content and get really good quality without spending so much money. Who better to give you guys that than me, because I think my quality has been amazing for the past few years. One thing a lot of people teach you guys is cameras. While cameras are important, I do feel like you can still pay for a really good camera. You can have a low quality video because your lighting sucks. Today, I not only want to share with you what lighting I feel like is the absolute best right now, but we're also going to do a hair tutorial so you can see for yourself what the quality looks like in today's hair video. I'm also going to give you some tips, and I'm also going to just walk you through how to set up your light so that you can understand what it takes to create really good quality content. Like the video, subscribe below, and also be sure to leave me a comment. Make sure you stick around till the end because we're going to go through everything. So we're going to get into the actual light that I love to use. This is one of my favorite. It's one that I actually started my content with when I didn't have like a whole lot. I do regret buying so many different lights. If you find a method that works, you don't need to buy so many different lights, to be honest. And really, if you do content, you also have to realize that you're going to be moving all over the place. You're not going to just stay in one place all the time. All of that plays a big role in what is going to give you the best quality and also convenience and not cost an arm and a leg to do. So let's get into the details about the lighting that I'm using, and then we'll get into the tutorial where you can actually see the quality of the light itself and how it plays a big part in creating a hair tutorial. Let's get into it. Sharing one of my favorite content creation tools lately, the Neewer RB18B 18-inch cordless ring light. And honestly, if you create beauty, wig, makeup, or lifestyle content, this light has some features that make filming so much easier. The digital touchscreen, which allows you to adjust the lighting perfectly. It also has great rotation, so you can rotate it so you don't have to move the entire light if you don't want to. Now that's a simple feature that I just definitely like. In the back, you can plug up your phone to charge it while your phone is recording, which is a feature most ring lights do not come with. And I love that because it's super convenient. You can also charge it so you can use it without using the cord, but you are able to plug it into the wall if you need. But right now, as you can see, I do not have it plugged into the wall. We are going completely on battery use, which can go for 70 minutes. If you're a content creator, you understand the importance in that. It includes multiple accessory mounts so you can attach your phone, camera, microphone, or additional accessories directly to the setup. It comes with the one that's shown. It also comes with adjustments right here, so you can make it as tall as you want or lower it down as short as you need it to be. The tripod itself is very sturdy, which is great because you don't want your light to fall over. You can adjust it up and down, tilt it, whatever you want by using this attachment here. The ring light itself is an 18-inch, so it's not too wide, too big, but it does have a powerful light. Let's get into the content. Okay, so right now I don't have any light except for my room light on. This is what the hair would look like with just regular lighting. And as you can see, you can still see it. You can see the color. This is what it looked like in natural lighting. This is also what the knots, the lace, everything look like with natural lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the lighting for you. It comes with a remote control, so you can just sit and adjust. This is the settings I have it on right now, and as you can see, the quality is improving the more I adjust. Now you can see the luster in the hair, and I know some of you may feel like that's manipulative, but to be honest, if you take pictures, this is how you want your hair to look. You've seen how it look in natural lighting, but when light hits it, it should definitely have a beautiful shine to it and the color should pop. Let's turn the light back off. So this is what it looked like with the hairline and everything with no special lighting. And then when I turn that light back on, you can now see the quality of the hair, the lace, everything. Now to me, this is very natural compared to the lights being off. Even if I overexpose myself with the light, that's super bright right there. This is what we don't want. It is now on the highest setting, 100%, and it's too bright. So adjustments is important. A huge benefit is the adjustable color temperature. You can adjust the light from a warm 290K all the way to a cool 700K. So whether you're filming during the day, at night, or trying to match natural window light, you can easily customize the look of your footage. They also throw in a little remote control. So if you want to film from your phone, you can easily just press that button and Bluetooth it. What I personally love for the content is the color accuracy. The RB18B has a high CRI rating of 95 plus, which means the hair colors, makeup tones, and skin tones appear much more true to life on camera. If you've ever filmed a wig and noticed the color looked completely different on video, you'll understand why this feature is so important. One of the standout features is that this ring light is cordless. Just in case you missed what I said earlier, this gives you 70 minutes of full brightness and even longer in eco mode. This makes it perfect for filming in different rooms, creating content outdoors, or shooting where you don't have easy access to power outlets. Plus, the included wireless remote means you can adjust settings without consistently walking back and forth to the light. And while today's video didn't take too long, if you do have longer videos you are filming, you can simply plug it in and keep recording without worrying about your battery life. And to be 100% honest, if you have great lighting like this, you do not need skin filters or anything because the light kind of gives you that itself. And I'm only using one light for this entire video and it's bright. I can turn it down. You can see all the details in the hair. My biggest issue with most lights is they really just wash you out or they are not bright enough just using one. With this one, you can really see every detail very clearly and the color is accurate. With today's video, I did notice that the lighting was a little bit brighter than I needed it to be. So I don't like to use too much light when filming my hair videos because I want you guys to see what the lace look like and everything. But as you can see, if you turn it up, you really can't see that lace. But that's not the goal here. The goal is just to make sure you all be able to see what I'm doing, be able to see the details in the hair, the quality, and for the most part, this one light can really get you going if you want to start your content, whether it's makeup or even hair tutorials. It's definitely a must-have. I'm going to make sure to link this in the description box, so if you're looking for the light, definitely check below. But overall, the quality is just a 10 out of 10. And when you're using your cameras or if you're recording with your phone, just make sure that you are keeping it right there close to that light. That way you can get the best quality from it. I find that this light from a distance, you don't really want to use it like that unless you're just using it as a filler light. But if you want the quality like what I'm sharing, just make sure to use that tripod in the center of that ring light. Overall, the Neewer RB18B gives you professional looking lighting, accurate colors, portability, and flexibility all in one setup, and that's what I really love about it. Whether you're filming wig installs, makeup tutorials, fashion content, live streams, or even YouTube videos, this ring light can seriously elevate the quality of your content, so don't underestimate it. And this is very, very important when it comes to creating any type of beauty content because you want your viewers to be able to see without being overly washed out or not enough light. So again, let me remind you what this looked like without the light at all, okay? This is the difference between using a ring light and also using just regular light. It's a huge difference. Like, I just love how it changes the overall appearance of the hair. So I'm gonna be sure to link this below. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and also tell me in the comment section, do you think this lighting is really good? Are you impressed by it? And I will see you all back in my next video.